go ahead and engage it, and it's going to get right.
Oh my God.
Awesome.
Keep trying. Try to rock
That's badass. I need that on my boat.
Oh shit.
That's awesome.
You get seasick?
Yeah,
You think this will fix it?
You guys got to get one for your boat.
It's very impressive.
One of the greatest things ever.
It was amazing.
Yeah?
I think, yeah.
There would be no going back. I mean, it's a total game changer. It's night and day.
Absolutely insanely incredible. You would think that when they're doing the demo, they're like trying to stop it, but when you do it yourself, you know, it's completely legit.
Makes a huge difference. So we're getting one, no question.
When you get in a roller, on a beam roller, and it's engaged, it's like you're fishing off of a cement platform 40 miles offshore. It's amazing.
OMG! For the last 2 years, I've been asking my husband to get us one, and I want this. I want it.